Welcome to the Hostinger Coupon Code channel. As someone who has been hosting websites on Hostinger for more than 7 years, I have first-hand experience with their services and I want to make sure you get the best possible deal when signing up. Most people purchasing a Hostinger plan end up using a generic coupon code which only offers a 10% discount. However, through the referral link I've shared in the description, you'll receive an exclusive 20% discount that gets applied automatically, giving you twice the savings without any extra effort. There are several strong reasons to choose Hostinger as your hosting provider. Founded in 2006, Hostinger has built a solid reputation as a leading name in the web hosting industry, and their expertise clearly shows in the quality of their services. Whether you are a complete beginner or a seasoned developer, their user-friendly control panel makes managing your website a smooth and stress-free experience. They also back their service with a 30-day money-back guarantee, and every plan includes a free SSL certificate and a free domain name, adding significant value to an already competitive price. To take advantage of my exclusive 20% referral discount, simply click the link provided in the description box. The link is available for every country and will direct you to Hostinger's official website in your local language and currency. From there, click on the Services or Products section in the navigation bar to explore their full range of hosting plans. My discount code is valid for every single plan and service Hostinger offers. As a demonstration, I selected the Business Web Hosting plan, and as you can see at checkout, the 20% discount is automatically reflected in the price. Please remember to register with a fresh email address that has not previously been used on Hostinger, as this ensures your discount is activated without any issues. If you found this helpful, a like and subscribe would mean a lot. Thank you.